Hello guys, today I will make berries juice. Here I have strawberry, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. And so I will start with the raspberry. Take this out first. I leave the leaves on the strawberry. Hey, it's jumping. I have to turn it off first because I have here small and it will jump and jump and jump. So on again. Pretty. I'll turn it off again. It's dark. And this is berries. Helps you with your immune system, and it's rich with antioxidants. One more time. I'm on the last batch. Start again. That's it. I'm just gonna wash my hand. Stir it first. Some people they put ice. I don't want to put ice. I want the real one, no water. I drink water separate. And the leftover, I will save it. Later tonight, I will drink it. Here is my strawberry juice. And the leaf of strawberry, I leave it there. Actually, strawberry leaves may help alleviate an upset stomach and reduce symptoms of nausea, bloating, stomach cramps, and diarrhea. And berries are rich in antioxidants and plant compounds, which may have benefits for heart health and blood sugar control. It is low in calories but high in nutrients. It helps protect against aging and cancer. It is good. It is a good source of vitamin C, manganese, and fiber. So, friends, let's drink together. Make juices for your benefits. And I hope you like my video today and see you next time. Hope you share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye and have a wonderful day.